Hi folks, just me again. I just thought I would take a wee walk and a wee wander about the world and try and explain how I kicked the heron habit with cold turkey. So it all started with I turned this music down a wee bit. It's a bit loud, can't hear me if I speak. So it was it was a couple of things that happened. So first off, my mother was in 2001. My mother was terminally with cancer, and I promised my mother before she passed away that I would stop taking drugs until I sort my shit out. But it was quite funny actually. My wee mother was dying of cancer, and she was asking me if I would come. That's alright, I'm just going to go in. I need to keep it all close to normal to put you in my vlog. So it's a face I didn't worry about it. That's me, the think I'm going to start videoing the staff, but I'm not. Because I'm not like that. We put the rules down and I've got to abide by the rules. No matter who they are or what the rules are, I've got to abide by them. Anyway, so talking about my mother. So my mother got me to promise that I would come off the drugs. What she was doing, she was basically about a month away to dying. Terminal illness, the cancer of the cervix. So I went after, I promised her, the day I promised her, I remember I promised her. And she was saying, and I was rattling, I was vomiting, both ends, vomit and spew diarrhea. And I was in a terrible state. My wee mum kept on saying, I can't handle it, Kevin, what are you doing? Okay, tell me what you need, son. And for 3 days all I needed was for my mum just to shut up and let me get on with it, but and end up, it was too hard for me to detox at my mum's or come off at my mum's. Because I was not going around, she wouldn't drop the subject about heroin, making me feel really 10 times worse than what I was feeling. So shortly after she passed away, I remember going 3 weekends, and there was no heroin in Edinburgh or Glasgow, couldn't score for anybody. So it was 3 weekends back to back where I had nothing. This was shortly after my mother passed away. So what happened there was I used that to my advantage. Very cunningly. I was on 7 gram a day. And what happened was I bumped into my next door neighbour who was a drug addict, working girl when I was a babe. And she was fit and healthy. She said she'd kicked it off. So I explained it to her when my mum passed away. And what was happened was she told her I was ready to come off. And she said it to me, which was a massive inspiration, that I'd already beat her. And it was because I'd already beat the monkey off my back. Going through what I went through with my mum and going through the last 3 weekends without anything in my system. So what the plan was now was to come to Ilford. And that's where it came up to me half in it at 9/11. By the time 9/11 came, to my 32nd birthday, I'd already smoking 7 gram a day heroin to 3.5 gram a day at Garden Gate. But then I had to look after my brother. But I was dealing with it. I'm not going to tell you who was dealing with it, I know it for me. But if it's illegal and you've got to take me to court for it, you can take me to court, I don't care. But what happened was I went to my brother's house to look after him, but he was suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder and other mental health issues, and then he carstairs in IPCU in the Orchard Clinic. And then, but he got a heroin habit and all, so I was ready to come off. And I took him, walked him down the path and all, but then ended up had an episode which led him to a hospital. to where I am now in IPCU. And that was a shame. And then I ended up doing England, in Leeds. And I just used the crack cocaine to bring the rattle, the heroin night on. And with the help of the mother of my two laddies, I managed to kick it, even though she was still on taking heroin. I wasn't taking heroin, I'd kicked the bucket, locked myself in the house for 3 months, didn't see the light of day. I looked pure white, I was in summer, it was funny. I was pure white. But I didn't go back home, I didn't want to touch her, because I knew I was disgusted with her. And then I came back up to Edinburgh and turned my whole life around within a very short space of time. I owned a fish takeaway bar, what do you call it? So a fish and chip shop. That's what I meant. In a very short space of time. But that went in a pear shape because that was when I started to get a break up in my relationship with my mother and my two children, my two laddies, because of the German. The first true love turned up my life. And I was on a break. I ended up getting pregnant because I couldn't help myself. It was just other emotions I could flip about it.
So you said...
Yeah, you're right, sir. It's me, here is the man in the moment. You Maxi boy for the Clary. We're just telling me.
Oh, is that a video?
We vlog.
FaceTime.
No, I'm doing a wee video about how I cooked turkeys off the
This place is pure shite.
I mean, the Maxi boy,
My haircut's looking the worst. I need to shave my face.
I've got some wax
I need
for
my
you.
whole fucking what
Needs your
else?
whole fucking...
Worst place ever, man. But we're
He
getting there.
needs your whole, he needs his whole, he's saying, oh man. What do you do this? He's just a young guy, how old is he anyway, Maxi boy? He's wanting some tablets to get to sleep. Then I'm walking, I'm doing the fucking corridor, doing a vlog because I can't get to sleep. But you have to ask your nurse up here, but it's bollocks, you know. I can't get to sleep myself. I might just post this, or I might just have a wee look to see what it's about.